So we've got a town here with an area of 4.36 square miles, and we've been asked to quote that in square yards. So that 4.36 square miles came from two measures of an amount of miles multiplied by an amount of miles. So both those dimensions will be converted to yards. So both those dimensions will be multiplied individually by 1760. So to get square yards, I have to multiply 4.36 by 1760 squared. So the area in square yards will be equal to 4.36 multiplied by 1760 itself squared. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get answer D, which is 13,505,536, and this is yards. That's the answer, and it's option D.